Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and we're going to talk today about one of my favorite topics, and that's food and eating lunch. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to talk about eating lunch and how it relates to your law firm marketing plan. One of the things I hear constantly from lawyers is that they don't have time for marketing. And to me, this is like saying you really don't have time for breathing. I think it's absolutely essential that you market, and obviously you do too, or you wouldn't be here watching this video. So let's talk about a way that you can work in some really good networking time, and networking is a part of your marketing plan, or at least it should be. You can work in some really good networking time while you do something you normally have to do anyway, and that's eat lunch. I would make certain, absolutely certain, if I were you, that I had every single lunch opportunity booked for the next month in advance with someone who could either, one, help me get some business, or two, be actually a client themselves. So you're either going to go to lunch with a client, with a prospective client, or with someone who's a center of influence who could refer more clients to you. And you need to do this every single day, Monday through Friday. You have to eat lunch. Any day when you're not in court or working directly on a client matter during lunchtime, you need to be sitting across the table from someone who can either provide you with some business, do business with you directly, or refer business to you in some way, shape, or form. So there are many, many opportunities for you to sit down with people, probably over 200 if you look through your current contacts list. People you should be sitting down with on a regular basis, having lunch, and just having a nice, friendly conversation. Now, many people say to me, Dave, why is lunch so important? Well, let me put it to you this way. We all have to eat. I mean, it's no secret that I'm no stranger to the lunch table. But you have to eat every day. You don't have to eat by yourself. And it's better if you don't eat by yourself. In fact, why not make that time productive? So lunch is the perfect meal for it. You're usually in an environment that is conducive to inviting someone out to lunch for business. Think about a list of 20 to 30 people who you could have lunch with over the next month that could positively impact your business. Make that list right now. Write those names down and begin one by one to set up appointments with them to have lunch over the next month. Now, while you're at lunch, the food is a very, very friendly and inviting prop for you and your marketing. Food is something that you'll both have in common, you'll both be eating, and you can use it to help smooth over any awkward points in the conversation. Instead of just staring there looking at each other, you can actually take a piece of food and put it in your mouth rather than have to deal with an awkward moment of silence. So, if I haven't convinced you already, pick your favorite restaurant or lunch place and try it just for the next week. If you try it just for the next week, you'll be amazed at the response you get. I would book a month in advance. My schedule is booked like 6 weeks in advance for lunch because I go out to lunch with somebody every day who can help me and who I can help. That's the thing. It's a mutually beneficial opportunity, and people realize that. And people love to be invited out to lunch, and you don't have to pay every single time. You can offer to split the bill, or occasionally someone else will offer to pick up the tab. At the end of the day, if it gets you a client, is it really all that bad? My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Get on the phone right now and start making those lunch appointments. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.